I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
Funny. Come off my phone. You're calling me at 11:23. I tell me to call you back. Go ahead.
Guys, it is Saturday. It's a new vlog. Unfortunately, today I went to work, but tomorrow is my day off. I will do the comment read tomorrow. Right now, I'm watching Shamar vlog. I just come to start off the vlog. As I said before, today I was working. Right now, I'm now seasoning up the meat that I got from last week at Walmart. So I have the ribs and I have the chicken I'm going to season up. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I finally get to do some Sunday dinner. And I'm thinking about doing ribs tomorrow. So I might do rice and peas or I might just do mashed potato. Depends on how I'm feeling tomorrow and some vegetable. So I just season up the meat. Yeah. And pack them in the fridge. I am also washing, and then after that I'm gonna clean. Yeah, so I just want to come and start off the vlog, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Yeah, hit the subscription button, and for all of the old people them, for all of the VPs them, yeah, the VPs, like out the video. Yes, like the video. And for those who always come and not even subscribe it, like where we me see like more than 50% of you guys watching the video and then not subscribe. Like make that make sense. When they keep on come back and then not subscribe. It's free though, it's free. Yeah. So I'm off tomorrow and Monday. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna go live because it's been a while. I'm gonna go live here on YouTube, and while I'm cooking, I just chat with them. Yeah. Just chat. That's what I'm gonna do, and I think I'm gonna do that like in the afternoon hours. So yeah, so here is the ribs. Just clean it up and wash it, and I'm going to season it up, and then tomorrow I'm gonna like pre-cook it and then put it in the oven and barbecue it. Yeah, I may do chicken, I don't know, maybe. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to season up the two of them and just use one tomorrow because I don't need it. If I'm going to do chicken, I just do one strip and leave the next one for next time. Yeah. So I'll catch you in the rest of the video.
Me subscribe.
You just subscribe. You imagine big part TV screen, all popular and thing, and she just subscribe. This not safe. I got block her. She's talking about, oh, but when I subscribe.
But remember, say when you block me, you're not going to have no content with me.
No, but if you're black, you're going to be there, but you're not going to see it.
If you block me, you can't take out your phone and video me put on no YouTube.
You can't tell me if you do.
Okay. Okay.
We can't believe this. Eh? So you're the 51. You're the one in the 50. Oh, so this not safe. This don't safe at all. We look for the people that work well relaxed. Days like this we like because guess what?
Guess what?
We have 4 1-bedroom, which are just 20 minutes to take to walk that up.
Me unsubscribe. Baby say.
She unsubscribe. Alright. Guys, as of today, you will no longer see Ashley on this channel. She has been demoted. She's not one of the elite employees. So it's Saturday night, and I'm just gonna continue the tradition. I don't know how long I'm gonna do this for, but let's continue now. Okay, so I released the video this morning, and I am now going to read the comments and answer the comments. Alright, so as I said, as before, it's in no particular order. I'm just gonna read from the bottom, go all the way up. And if your comment don't reach this, that means you have not commented up until this time. You'll probably comment after this time. So yeah. Anyhow, Ashley Shariah said the vlog shot though. Yes, the vlog shot. If you realize it said 4 days later, Yeah, 4 days later, that means say it missing everything in between. All the juice missing in between. And that's Ashley, guys. All right, so Kerry Palmer, as always, you always commenting. My namesake, you said, I don't know if I missed it, but I didn't see which state you went to. You didn't miss it, I just didn't state it. Yeah. Now the thing is, the reason why I didn't state it is because I was planning to go and look for someone, and then I just I was like too lazy when I was there, just too relaxed, and if I say here, then they're going to know that I was in the area and I didn't call them up. So you know what? Let's leave it right there. Okay? Alright. Travis said, how far is Walmart away from you? I think 30 to 40 minutes. Not too far, but far enough. Um touch of flam. When I say wall, you say mart. Wall? Mart! Kerry Palmer, Walmart. Um, Tori. Tori said first here. Big up yourself for being the first one here. That means you have on your post notification bell on. So for all those who don't have the post notification bell on and you want to be the first one to comment, you need to turn it on. Okay, turn on the post notification. And on that note, make sure to say subscribe. Okay? Alright. Judy Kelly said, thought you were doing the barrel. Isn't that way cheaper? Alright, so the thing is, I wanted to do the barrel, but when I asked Finger if he carry the barrel to the next state, he said no. So I think it's best if I just do the box and ship it through the post office. Yeah. And even that is gonna be a struggle, because remember our mail don't deliver it to the condo, it goes to the office. And for me to send off the box, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have to bring it to the office, and we're gonna need some manpower, but let's see how that work. Let's see how that work. All right. Touch of Lamps, a present teacher. Well done, students. You made it to class. All right. So Judy Kelly said, "It's good you can relax. Waiting on the ebook. Continue to soar. Thank you for waiting, and thank you for your kind words. Yeah, I was really relaxed and I felt really good, and I am trying to soar. Like I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. Watch me soar, and I'm bringing you guys with me. So Toya Watson said, "I love your video. Thank you, Tori. Toya, thank you, Toya. Thank you, Toya. Thank you, Toya, and I love the fact that you're loving it." And I was saying that this video didn't have nothing in it, and then every time I just feel like the video is boring, somebody just always there to lift my spirit. So thank you, Toya. Alright, Karine Scott said, Ven, long time I haven't seen Roxanne. Okay. Alright, so on that topic. Alright, so basically me and her fall out, and it's a very stupid thing why we fall out. If it was for me alone, she should have still the year and would have still attack, because nothing really bother me, right? And people that affect me. But the little stupid argument that we had, it wasn't even an argument. Well, it was just a little difference. And she decided that she don't want to walk on eggshell around me, so she moved. So that's on that. It's honestly, if you don't hear this story, that's to say it foolish. Like it's not nothing major. It's like somebody just step on your little toe. That's it. And she just decided to move out, and we just say okay, whatever. At the end of the day, me still benefit because me in the room by myself, me have my own space. Me join the two bed, then me have a king bed can roll. You understand? Grocery for me get cheaper now because I'm not feel I buy so much because I eat less, and yeah, we eat different stuff from her. But when we were spending together, we always whatever. But yeah, we had a little disagreement, and she decided to move. Give her grace, and that's that. Yeah, it's nothing major. As me say, if I'm me alone, probably should I still be here, probably would I still a talk, but not everybody tough skin like me. Yeah. Marsha Reem, so Walmart, she understood the assignment. Babette, Early Bird, big up yourself. Judy Kelly, and just like that, you fly. Judy Kelly, Judy Kelly, Judy Kelly said, and just like that, your flight is going back. You respect your privacy. Like she said, what just happened? Like what happened in between? But we are respect your privacy. Okay, we respect the privacy. All right, thank you for that. Judy Gay said, positivity always trumps negativity. Stay true and real to yourself. Yep, that's a big one there. You have to be true and real to yourself. Like I always say that. Tash, 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 big up yourself, Tash. Always big up yourself. We miss you, Tash. She said, loved everything about this video. Put the next heart there, guys. Put the next heart. Yeah. Listen, me I try to pronounce this word, Me know who and me know if it said, but it just not sound like it spelled right. Racine, Racine, listen. Racine, me no say, listen, yes. Yes. Yeah. She says, send us all up a heart, big up yourself. Walmart, big up on yourself. Everybody we are comment Walmart, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Karine Scott said, looking forward every week for my series. Oh, and this is why I push, like I never, like, guys, let me tell you this. Yesterday was when I started to edit the video. Today is Saturday, right? Yesterday I started to edit the video and I was like, maybe I can release it Sunday because like I'm in the mood and me have so much to edit and me have so much things to put in it. And then it's like me not have nothing for like me I said me not really have things, but then me have things I can put in it. And me I wonder if it even make no sense. And the fact that the whole in between gone and me I said, and I was gonna give it to you Sunday. I was like, you know what? It is a Saturday vlog. Let's stay consistent. Let's keep to the timeline. And I pushed last night and I was like, okay. And even this morning when I got up and it uploaded and it was uploaded to, it said it had copyright flag. That's the first part of the video. And I had to like edit it over, like put my intro song over it and re-upload it. And even when you re-upload it, and even though it upload, like it take like 4 hours to get to 4K. And even when I released it, it was like the quality wasn't good. And I don't know if you guys saw that. But yeah, it was a struggle. But nevertheless, I got it out to you guys and you guys appreciate it. And I like that. Anyway, it is 3 minutes after 11. And I kind of feel down, I'm going to make sure to them. I kind of feel down. And because I feel down, I say, no, let me just come and read the comments and, get cheer up. And like there's so much things going through my mind and I just want things to go right, you know. One day me come and sit down and talk to me, man. Like I just feel like my life now make no progress. I don't know if I understand. Right. I just feel like we need to do more and yeah, I just feel down. So that's that. So I just came just to talk to you guys to get little motivation. But after I finish read through the comments, it's like everything just come back in my brain. Pray for me and while I pray for myself. And pray for you too. But I need some encouragement. So drop some encouragement for me there too. Probably by next Saturday I'm not gonna need it again. But nevertheless, you never know, we might need it still. Just drop some encouragement down in the comments. Morning guys. So today is Sunday and I am currently cooking. I am cooking barbecue ribs, rice and peas, probably mashed potatoes and vegetables, and I may fry chicken, not sure. But I want to do that on live, but I'm pre-cooking like the peas and the ribs. But right now I'm going to do my calendar for the month of April, and just feel like just come and talk to you. Understand? So I won't be able to show you everything. Maybe I can do something like this. I don't know. But I can probably show you clippings. But let's just talk. What should we talk about? Let's just talk. So first, I want to go ahead and put the month, which is April. And you know you have to put it in this where April starts. So maybe April starts the first. So today is Sunday and tomorrow is the last of the month. So April starts Tuesday. So I'm just gonna number these 1, 2, 3 to whichever day. I'm gonna circle April and then I'm gonna fill out in between so that I can know what is going on for the month. And for Saturday, you know, that is my upload day, so I'm just gonna write that in the Saturday column. And then any special days, I think I have a few birthdays in April. I have my friends, and I think I don't get my schedule like a week in advance, which would be good if I had that, because at least I could plan ahead. I get it every Thursday, so once I get them, like get it Thursday, I can see what my week is like. So this schedule already come out and I'm off today and tomorrow. Alright? So for the rest of the week I'll be working and I have to wait until Thursday again to get a new schedule. So that's that. Right now, finger the out there. So listen, I decided that we're not going out there, and they had two person ask me to buy something and I was like, listen, that's the devil. Temptation. I'm not going out there. Because even if I go out there and I say I'm going to just buy the girl them thing or the guy's thing, me know I'm going to pick up something. I'm like, listen, I already spent $200 and that was my budget for the month, and we're not going over it because sooner or later I have to spend more money as it relates to sending boxes and so forth. Somebody was asking yesterday, I think I touched on it yesterday, why I didn't send the barrel. Well, Finger don't ship barrel to another state, they just ship it to Jamaica. So I was just thinking that it would make sense if I just asked Finger to carry it to another state, but him said no. I would have gotten a barrel and my suitcase me I put in there because I don't like to travel heavy. You understand? But such is life. All know me not go water parks. Me just have to just go by myself one day. But that's fine. Or me just don't go none at all. And this is the quote for the day. If you know my tablet, I have like quotes here and Bible verse here. So every time I take up my tablet, you know, I'm greeted with this, like a different quotes per day and Bible scriptures per day. And me and my lovely brother remembering the lovely time I had at Disney World. I should plan a trip somewhere again. So the quote of the day is go through what you go through. So I think I'm gonna use that for my quote of the month. So grow through what you go through. So whatever you go through, make sure you grow. And understand, anything that come to you is because you can manage it, and you should just use it as an example and grow through it. So next time when you meet up to that with that stumbling block, you know, it's just a walk over the path because you already grow over that. And understand, and then something bigger will come, so just continue growing, and everything will just look minimized to you, little to you. And the Bible verse is taken from Matthew 28, verses 6. He is not here, for he is risen, as he said. Come see the place where the Lord lay. Now today is Resurrection Sunday, it's the reason why we got that verse. And it is good to know that, hey, God is risen. And now we can call upon him. Yeah. So Friday was Easter Friday, Good Friday, where them say God going to the grave and 3 days after that him raised. So to God be the glory, you know. God is good and we should serve him. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and number this, look at my calendar, and wait, what? Yeah, Monday. Monday. Oh, today the 31st. You never know, so today the 31st. Today is the 31st. Okay, today is the 31st. So tomorrow is the first of the month. Well, duh, because the day off. And tomorrow, many people are leaving for the States. So congrats on your travels, and every like first timers are coming up tomorrow, so congrats everybody who's traveling this week. Big up on yourself. For those who have not gotten any response or anything, winter is just around the corner. Don't give up, and yeah, your time soon come. Many of these people that are leaving now was waiting from like last year, and they just got the opportunity, so don't give up, keep pushing. And yeah, tomorrow April Fool's Day. I don't know if I'm gonna fool nobody anyway. So let's just go to the calendar and let's do that, okay? Say my name, say my name. I did that travel and I see you fine. I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Alright, so I kind of finished. I don't really have a lot on it. This is how it looks, but as the week progress, I'll fill it out some more. But this is how it's looking, and I'm gonna put it on the fridge, and it's gonna look a little bit brighter. So I kind of like this because it kind of, whenever I'm in the kitchen or so forth, I can look on it and see how my month is going. And I also have the daily planner or the weekly planner up there, so you can get this on my Amazon storefront, by the way. But yeah, this is good and I like it to keep everything organized. And it's like a calendar that you can use for years. Like when old time days when you used to have that paper calendar and you used to flick it and it only lasts for the year. No, this it lasts for years, right? You have magnetics on it, and I don't even know why I'm selling it. I'm just telling you that I like it. The fact that I can put it on my fridge, and I can remove whatever I need to remove, adjust whatever I need to adjust, and yeah, make it unique to me. So I kind of like this. So if you want it, you can go on my Amazon storefront and get it. It comes with 2-piece, but that's that. I'm going to charge my light so that I can use it on YouTube, and yeah, so I'll get you back. And the background is like a bit noisy, that's why I don't want to go on YouTube right now, because I'm washing and I'm cooking, and when I like really ready to cook, then I go on YouTube and talk. So yeah, morning guys. Alright, so good morning. Today is Monday morning. Yeah, but it's my day off today again, yesterday and today. But I just want to come and just say hey, morning, because I don't think I'm going to do no videoing today because I have so much things to do. I am going to focus on getting some work done, and yeah, because I need to go and update my Shopify account. I need to put some more stuff on the account, and I need to just do the final touches on the ebook and then separate them to make it 3. Like, I need to get down to business. So that is what I'm going to do today. So I just want to come and update you. It is a new month. It is April Fool's Day. Alright, so have fun today. Have fun. I don't know if I'm going to fool anyone. I'm going to see if I can try, and then I'll show you, but that's not the aim of today. So happy new month, and I pray that this month brings you favor, grace, blessings, everything that's in store for you. I pray that it will locate you this month. Whether you want a new car, you want a house, you want a man, a husband, a child, I pray that this year, not this year, but this month will bring those to you, right? And if you believe, just say amen. And when it happens, whatever you're believing for, it don't have to be that. It could be that you want to pass an exam. Anything that you're open for, just believe, type amen, and then at the end of the month, if you accomplish it, let me know, because The other day, a girl reached out to me and she said that she was on one of my live when I was saying that I should write down 10 things that they need in 2024. And one of the things that I think I'm going to put it right here. One of the things that she wrote down was to come on the H2B program. And she was happy to inform that that came through. And many other things that on her 10 list came through. I honestly never know that people that take me serious now. I never knew that person was taking me serious. And the fact that she came back and told me that she did it, that alone showed that she was serious and people really listen to me. Right? So, not believing in me, no, but believing in the power of God. You understand? Sometimes you get some word from anybody. You don't have to be somebody. You don't have to be a Christian. You could be a madman on the road. Sometimes you get a word and I gotta talk to, and all you need to do is just grab it, believe, and just hope for it. You understand? So I am just saying that whatever it is that you want, just believe, receive, and obviously you're going to pray on it. And let me know when it comes true. Yeah. So I'm just gonna shower now. I already tied up in here. Like look on the bed. Look at the design. Nobody watch Rudolph. Rudolph having merry time. But I already tidied. I had lunch, not lunch, but breakfast. I don't know if nothing in my teeth, so if nothing in my teeth, just pretend say nobody there. You understand? I had oats porridge. It's not really like a porridge, it's like a oatmeal because it's thick. Yeah, I had that for breakfast. Egg and little rolls. So that's nice. Yeah. So I'm just gonna shower and just get to work. And I'll pick up back with you if anything, happens.
Hello?
I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
Funny. Come off my phone. You're calling me at 11:23. I tell me to call you back. Go ahead. Sure. You're lucky to me answer the phone. Sure.
Bye.
Leave me alone. Let me go sleep, yeah? Sure. Bye.
I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
Busy with what? Can you call me?
No, I'm busy. I'll call you back.
Call me back. Why? But then you call me.
I'm busy. I'll call you back. Okay, bye.
So why you call me if you're
I,
busy?
I'll call
You
you back.
call me
I'll call
if
you.
you're busy. So the busy is telling me you're busy.
Let me call you back. I'm busy right now.
I me call her or you call me?
I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
Where you do?
Let me call you back. I am busy, okay?
You can call me, yes, but I will go answer.
Yeah, go like me call you.
Oh, God, we can't be serious about nothing.
I know nothing you do have to do. Off on my phone.
Yo, you got trouble, you know? We can't get trouble, sir.
So they're April Fool's Day. Bye.
Oh, shit, me name him, man. Yeah, teacher.
Eh?
May I call you back? I'm busy.
Alright, how are you busy I do?
No busy. I do not. Me at least me busy.
Alright.
Hey, you didn't understand to know me I call everybody and I prank them. I me call you or me if I call you, I me busy. What we do
I
though?
thought food here.
Okay,
I
what
thought
we
food
do?
here.
Exactly. We call people and say, me I call you back, me busy and never say, alright. Then we say, no, but you call me or you be call you back. Yeah,
You
brother.
must have nothing to do. Sure.
Yeah, well, man.
Busy, but me call you back.
All right.
Yeah, idiot, you know. You call me or me call you.
You come with the damn foolishness. So I say, me know me name call it. Me I say to myself, I never make a mistake. I'm calling.
I'm busy,
I
I call you back,
go.
okay?
Huh?
I'm busy, I call you back.
Okay. What you mean? Oh Lord.
I'm busy, I call you back.
What do you mean, girl? You're busy, you're coming back. You just call me.
We're busy, let me call you back.
Vanessa, stop ramp with me. What the frig?
Ashley's leaving me soon. Ashley, you can't stay with me. You can't stay. You know, I forgot, you know. Making our way downtown, walking, no, 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 no. Watch other up this run. I say, come, I can't wake up my mind, and I'm gonna know. The point me that make like me can't go sky tire.
Me know me can grease it cause oh camera with the fan.
No, sir.
We nearly tell you all world my business.
The whole world know your business. Hey, you have to depend on the video every day because the people that are going to miss saying just like how the name is Jody. Good morning. Let me tell you something. You see, this H2B thing is not for the weak. I'm tired. I can't bother. And this is work in general because I don't just think of just the H2B thing. We just can't bother if I get up every morning and go work. I don't like this routine for me. Right now, I want to sleep because I never get enough sleep last night. Not even some I never get enough sleep. I go to bed on time, but every hour I just wake up. Right? Me have sleeping issues. I just can't bother. Can't wait to come up for the program. Like, and the thing is, you know, I feel like it's because my mind is all over the place because me have to be thinking about leaving and the up and down and all those stuff. So I think that is my issue. I want to be stable. And another thing is like I have so much things to do. I may not get them done because me just have focus on everything. I mean, no, I'm supposed to focus on one thing at a time. But when we start focus on the one thing, we start think about the other thing that I'm supposed to do. I don't know if I'm me alone like that. I just can't bother, yeah, man. Can't bother. Can't bother. I want somebody to come manage my life for me because obviously I cannot manage it. Can't bother. Right now, I'm ready to go work and from like before the alarm go off, me I wonder if I call out sick. And then me I say if I call out sick, that means I'm sick leave. I'm sick day I go gone and probably I go really need it one day. Like I can't bother. I honestly can't bother. And honestly me still don't know which part me I go yet. The three option them still lies. But me just don't know where I want to go and I don't want to pick wrong. And you see this is the issue, you know, when you have too much options. You say if you have one, if I had one, I wouldn't have this problem. But I have too much option now. Stress out. It's stress out. And then Ashley go leave. It seems like Ashley leave before me. And then me alone in the garrison. I can't bother. I can't bother. I'm stressed out. Help. I need help. With divine intervention, honestly. Like even this vlog, it seems like the vlog I want to put out, but boy, I'm just gonna get something. So they can see me and stress. I can't bother. Honestly can't bother. I am looking for different avenues, honestly, because this is not it. This up and down. Like at first it was fun. It was really fun at first. But when you start accumulate stuff and then you realize that every 6 months you change employer, you see new faces, new problem, new issues. It's fun, you know. But you get tiring sometimes, you get weary sometimes. I just can't bother. I honestly can't bother. Like here, so even though the place boring, if I could stay here, so we're doing serving and getting the money we used to get. But I fine. Honestly, but I fine. As much as the place boring, The housing not bad. And even then I get the PM, I get in Virginia or even Maine, we fine. Honestly, fine. But you know, I have to go because this pay not cutting it. Yes, can't manage. This pay is below my cost of living. No, so anyway, we just come to say good morning. What is today? I think today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. Yeah, today Wednesday, April 3rd. Anyway, I get you later on. No, no, see. I'm going in my life. Like, for real. I honestly just can't. But it's not even a show. I just can't. But I'm tired. I'm tired of this. If who feels it knows it. And I show those who... You see, I understand that if you have a work, you may feel the same thing, but I don't think it's the same as coming on this H2B program because it does have like constantly moving and it's just tiring. You understand? Especially when it comes on to this time, your brain not sleep because you just think about everything. You think about your next place, if it's going to be good, the employer, if you're going to make money, if you're picking the right choice. Like there's just so much. And if you're out there on the program and you can relate, just drop it to the comments. Let me just send me when I go through it. Anyway, later. Listen, Vermont is something else. Yesterday could be hot and today could be freezing cold, full of snow. Yesterday no snow, not even no trace of snow on the ground. And then when you wake up, out the door, white, like Christmas. Like look out the door. Like why? It is now April. April, you know? April. Why is it behaving like this? Like I kid you not, yesterday, no snow. And today is not even April Fools. And snowfall. Why? April 4th. The 4th of April. I thought it was crazy in March, but no, it's April. Make it make sense. Why? So I have to go for my gears. You know, and today we're working Tram side instead of the condos. First time going there. Ashley wasn't going to go to work and then she changed her mind. If she never did I go, I'm just not gonna show up a condo and just behave like me never see the email. But since she going and me have company, then I'll go. So that's on the agenda today. I don't know if I can catch some little clippings of how everything is. So I'll try. But good morning and welcome to my life. Why outside is behaving boisterous? Like look at the wind. Like look there. And that's the worst part, you know, the fact that it's windy. It's not the fact that it's just snowing. The wind make it worse. Like what? Anyway, I'll catch you when I reach. See if I can grab some. Because you know, if we're working somewhere for the first time, more than likely we're going to work with somebody and you don't know how they feel with the whole recording thing. And I understand, so we try sneak in peace, okay? We are party! Yo! Ashley want to come at Tram side after we say, let's go like we never see the email. See Tram side, don't you, sir? See building there. The building out there, sir. We forgot to say blind, come. And when we on. Like a no, so so fast or slow, right? No, they're in there. What are that? You see, where we go? Lord Jesus, go on, make way. Why? This is what you have to go through. Just because Ashley want to work at Tram side. Alright, that's not better. So one better way did if you come over here. But he couldn't come around and say, well, I could have come around and say. And now all go inside. Go so we don't run that stuff. And all go inside. You lock. You lock. Yes, you say lock. I don't know, you're asking like I know the first time. When you come. First time. It lock, no, so. But it lock, you can see lock. You okay, lock? You know, see? It's just out. Oh, God. You know this one. Yeah. What you have to say? You should have got candle down. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But I like candle setting.
Yeah, because nobody's. Because yesterday, I see this. I said, no, which part of candle this day? Because you see kitchen. I said, no, which one? We never going out of the room then. No, I see. At least we know where it's a look.
Dirty like candle.
The one here.
The one here.
Welcome to Tram side, guys. This is the little dining living area. We have a queen bed in here, so oh, the light nine TV.
Me already.
Yeah, man, tell you. Enough.
Too much talking, man.
Me say, thank God you say next one quiet. Thank God you say next one quiet. Closet. Sense they book a hotel. You. They make sense. They book one hotel here because it's basically the same thing and it's cheap. Fair. A 2-bathroom, you know? Two bathroom. Huh? This is what you get. You should pretend like we never see the email. But no, my one got Tram side. See Tram side, you know. You see the list long.
Me need to look at Tram side with me.
See it? Look there, 4 page. 4 page. How much I get them a day? No, sir. Anyway, we're gonna do the people them work. So I'll show you after how it look. It's on your yarn. And the carrying bag with the food.
I'm hungry, Jan. Asleep, yeah.
That's why you should go condo. Because if you did go condo, you could have lied down and sleep. Because I know it's not nothing different though.
You can't lie down and sleep.
Under supervision.
No camera not there.
No, the next one will come. Camera there, sit there. Girl can spread bread, you know? And look outside. Can see the people them that now work. All of them they right down there, so. This is what they love. The snow. But yeah, that's the bed. I hate the blanket that's underneath it, but I say go. Yeah. And you have like a bin there, closet, the bathroom, and then in here so you have the living area. And then the bathroom, the kitchen, and whatever, and then outside. So we kind of done in here so still. And you have a bathroom right here. One thing with here, so them not care how you set up it all. Them like me can see them like this and me I leave them like this. So now I remember that I put a little fan there, but not doing that. You're not working hard. I work smart.
You feel say I'm not going to do nothing now?
But you don't know what you're going to do.
Vacuum.
Oh. Probably at that. I'm wait till we done. So you just come in and come down. The king guy next one, lock your door. You have key though.
No.
Welcome back to the real housekeeping days. 2 bedroom? And the kitchen big. How much bathroom?
2.
Oh, kind of look like a tree. Tree.
3.
We better wait in income because it's like that. A hard day at work. Not working in the store today. How do you like it? Peace. That's all the answer you ever have. Our vocabulary is short and shallow. That is it. Right. But
You can't feel by one pizza, you know.
you can't trust. The only good thing about today is that we never have to go in the snow. Not once. We should have worked for a man.
And that man detail about
what him man?
Him man did say go in there and grow on so.
But him come like a Jamaican, he don't even know how to direct people. When you see round, you see one tree. When you see the tree, you see another tree. And then you go up so, and then you go up and then you go.
You get that? Yeah, man,
and then you turn left. And you reach. And then you're gonna say, and then you see one bathroom in my restroom. And then so you turn. Those So, Ashley's not feeling good, right? And she went on to Siri and put in her symptoms. As what Siri tell us?
I may have syphilis, gonorrhea,
AIDS, cancer,
and miscarriage.
So that teacher.
For me.
Hey, if I guess you have it, you go on Google it until you say you have all kind of stuff make you worry. Don't go on Google, guys. Don't do it. Keep your heart and strong. Don't do it.
I must have said my heart started, you know.
She have a job here pump because she's not afraid. No, sir.
Like this, listen.
Hey, you say we are yesterday on no ice. No ice. And today could awesome. Can't manage. I sprinkle the ice. Powder. We do. I sprinkle the powder on the ground. I will be a man in now. Watch this. Watch this. Every time we go there, we jump. Next will be there for evidence. So just in case you jump because I was sprinkle the powder. Oh, that the inner this salt. Live it up, live it up. Live it up, live it up. To all my days. I mean, earth, you're lovely lady. You can't show that. You are chichi and you're not in my category. We don't want no chichi. Oh. Okay. Those we are probably Jesus. No, me can't. Oh, me gonna go down this now. Help. What me don't know? All that too. Jesus. This me not come out to work tomorrow, you know. Me not come to work tomorrow. No, sir, guys. What is this? This is not it. Okay. Could almost reach in. Lock out. No, so look how much snow. This is not safe. Watch it. I'm going to cook and get to edit and other stuff. Yeah, so. Alright guys, so today is the last day of the vlog. I just want to close off the vlog, but I just want to say something. No, don't cuss me, but next week, Saturday, I'm not sure if I'm going to release a vlog. And if I don't, I may just come live, right? And the reason for that is because I have to pack. And I have a whole lot of stuff. And I don't know if I can pack and edit at the same time. But I will record the process so that you will get that, you know, eventually. So if you do get a vlog next week, just know, say, probably the other weekend I'll get one. Because, yeah, but I'm going to push still. But if you don't, I'll do a live. And drop in the comments, like, the time best for you guys to do the live. I know that I normally release the vlog in the morning. And then you guys watch it whenever you're ready. But you have some people that watch it in the morning. And I don't know. I think, yeah, my time, I'll get off like 4:36 probably around that time. So just tell me like the time you... Just give me a time so I can have an idea of when to go live if I don't do the vlog. That's if I don't do the vlog. But if you get a vlog, just forget about the live. But I just want to let you know. And yeah, thank you for watching. And have a great rest of your week. And may next week be better. Okay? So, bye.